Hey guys, we're doing the teams now for this little cheap break for the weekend. 35 bucks a spot, a couple boxes of bread king reloaded, and a few prism rack packs. Everybody gets some nice silvers. A few of the average players have actually gone up in value now, which is good. It's 3 o'clock and 7 seconds PM Melbourne time. Brandon's live. Dice roll on Participante. 6 times. 6 times. 6 times. 1, 2, 3. 6 appeal. 4, 5, and yoink. And we save that one there. Cool, we get one there. And then we get rid of that one. And we go to themes. Theme list. Theme list. Theme list. Theme list. 5 times. Pardon me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Random is complete, and the teams are. Teams are Paul Hill with the Hornets, Jamie Hawkey with the Wolves, Dees Fahipa with the Jazz, Boyd with the Bulls, Van Houten with the Spurs, Nick Powell with the Kings, Van Sanderson with the Cavs, Daly with the Rockets, Glenn McCubbin with the Wizards, Charles with Thunder and Warriors, Van with Magic and Nuggets, Van Houten with Grizz, Kiwi with Blazers, Stretch Armstrong with Suns, Van Houten with Raptors, Mark Galvin with Bucks, Carlos Paulino with Pacers, Van Houten with Pistons, Coulson with Nets, Glenn McCubbin with Mavericks, Jared Broadbent with Hawks, Van Houten with Lakers, Charles with the Sixers, Nick Powell with the Heat, Glenn Bowe with the Celtics, Van Houten with the Clippers, Charles with the Pelicans, and Johnny Deegan with the Knicks, and that's it.